So kwaba wachane so. Yeba be another logo and also ye 3D logo. Ye the spiral tool no na ebe. Ye logo na say na ebe. So see the logo ni si down sana ebe. Inti spiral tool no be align tools ni wono. Inti ye be click align tool ni so. Na ya hold on to mouse no. Na yaba be select a spiral tool no. Eno na it also 3 no. Tia select here na yaba abe click or document no so near draggers. Okay. Inti the event everyone is stroke with I'm trying to say everyone bears 40 in the cry your man nyekese more. Tia man bears 88. Na fe ya change with profile no. Amano sa profile 1 no. Shape no. Na fe yeah, use black arrow tool no rotating no kakra. Now look like this. They say never call object or menu on near click expand appearance. They say no enye view stroke view. They say no no curve I shape. Inti yebeka ko change fill no iron none. You best select yes, you best selecting change. Men click you way so go change fill na deselect it, men select way. Na echo fill on select none. Na fi stroke no so choose white color. Okay. They say no yes I fat line 2 no. They will be click be a spiral 2 no one. Near select line 2 no. Na fi ya drag it free say baby. Ede abesi we na no na ye use anchor point 2 no na ye dia curve we no ama na be fa we na no inside no ano no nti ye try say ye be na bitima be fa no nti me make sure say e be fa no na yetimi anya na e 3D logo na e so yeah ba it take time ba also take unya abutre manu unya abutre na otimi enya no anu na e ma o shape ni e kama design itimi efe e se na ya na enye rush bebre timeza kofa direct selection tool na the baby move we ni kakra so the way mitimi enya no we na no I'm almost there. Almost there. Okay, yeah. Kakra. Yep. Tienko outline view on niengo SD SCI. Okay, ya mixing mark ni kakra bi wa nti select view. Yeah. When na yana is any yana a bit time consuming but unya with trainer say utimi aligning na once I feel it okay. Bibi sana me hwehwe. Okay. Yeah. You see the menu. Nti meza ako preview view on no. Ti line ni. Masaya another line bio free ha. De aba ha. Masaya use anchor point 2 no. De curve no amana beda we na no pe. Me use direct selection 2 no. De move na be chwe kakra. Masaya curve no. Yeah. Timisaba be use the last line. Yeah, lines in the miensa. And it's my drag free at the aba. Masaya curve no be same method. Make sure say a bit far no. Yep. It is saying the nyina ewie. Ti ebe select ni nyina ho. Ni aba ko fa shape builder 2 no. Ni aba click wo we no. Eso. Nti yen zoom in. Na fe yen ko cleaning up. Ti zoom in na the abros bia no. Na ye delete on. Select one chain. Nya vitre. Na wa clean ni nyina the abros bia. Try so be delete. So they be ebe mo adwuma na wo ye no aye clean. Nti yen dragging faso nyina ti shape no eno ni. Like we say abrobros nti be to shape builder 2 no. Ye the insert alt no so. Ya click or lines na abros no. Eso. As you be zoom in wa. Na e use shape builder 2 no. Na ye the insert alt no so. Ya click over so. Let's say no so echo. Ti zoom out. Ti ye hwa say na lines ni bi. Ya combine. Baby a entimi anye ayiye no. Ya di clean no. Yeah. Okay. So see the BBI clean. Na BBI so ye individually. Ti ni nyina na BBI is separate. The yam fill no yamana black fill. Na red fill cry. Yeah. Ti shape no any. Ti eba be the gradient we say no eba be ma shape no. Ti me select ni nyina. Me use eyedropper 2 no. Nam de akwa gradient no. Ma apply am no. Okay. They say there afi na yeba be use gradient no. Ya change direction of the gradient no. Na shape na yepe no. Ti we select it outside and we can select way. Na ma drag it afaso. But gradient no say make sure say linear. Yeah, linear. You must have a select here and so. You must drag it. I'm on the say. Time ni nyina no sa. Na it say that dey bia wo chim no so na me chim no. Sana idea no. Akoy. Ti send this gradient to no nya say no. Nya shape no e wa say no. Okay. Let me see nya shape no serious pen. Nti me select ni nyina ho. Na ma resize no na mana eketu akakra. Nti yen zoom in. Ti say ye ba be use line 2 no. Na ye the lines atutututu. Na amana yi no nti be draw line back every aba say. Na ya man stroke color of white. Ya change profile no iron profile 1. Now if you reduce size na 0.75 na use anchor point 2 no na dia shape no amana beda saa we na no pepepe ti ebe saa miensa mienu na aka no enso santi mikwa akoye eno nso we ni any last one na ye no so we use here na fe I taking it to another level. Okay, yeah, the lines now the best select lines ni na on ni miensa ni na yaba opacity as in our property bar no contest na or select opacity or change mode no blend mode no from normal to screen. Now for reduce opacity no amount of 50%. TND selected. They say look at say meta bia ya turning. Inti the person a look at say 3D into the reflection. And so yeah baba any reflection a baby to say there a sea glass table be so say no. Inti a selecting na yen group no. Now for yen far reflect 2 no. You click reflect 2 na. Na da baba to asia say. Now don't just see alt no so another option key no our window our Mac. Now I click it. Into your bear reflecting on horizontal. Now fi men click okay click copy. Na a look be to say. No. Into say never for rectangle 2 no. Now you have draw rectangle. Our way ni so say. Oh manim fan fin ne pe nemo manin cover asia de no eso. Na a first gradient black and white no. Emano. Na fi black ni yen say a pure black okay. Yeah, pure black. Na e use gradient 2 no. Never change the direction no. My black no enkosro. Why? So oh yeah, my black no enkosro. I'm starting crime free in finishing baby. Oh sorry. My black and bra form. You better drag your bunny say. Why? Yeah, sorry. Black in the bar form. Now fi what drag you is in abakakra. Ebe se eyira. No ababe fa o selection tool no drag ya fa any design e was here na so wanya ni mienu. No asa aba opacity no ewo esro ase obe click opacity ni so a wo hwe ase no matro make. No click o make ni so. Won say amano eluku to say the air reflected ewo table so no I say that glass table so no inti say mano background na ana mo be hu serious inti yenyi sa we say no into enchen embra nchen akaka ne for rectangle 2 no ne be draw rectangle kese pa ewa na yembambe mano gradient black and white gradient na no radial na white no yemma no be to say gray color kakra but any too black ni enyi su selection 2 no near right click near ya arrange near send to back oh the we know I said gradient lines view to me go change black near man on another gray. See, you be change black and you will reduce gray color. The side gray or I say so this gray. Yes. Nti wohwɛ shape na sɛ 3D nti deɛ ɛbɛyɛ sɛ yɛbɛma no yɛbɛtwerɛ ase logo name din biara pɛ sɛ ɔde ma no logo. Afei yɛn resize text na yɛatwerɛ no. Change font style no. Bea yɛbɛtumi de saa gradient wei sei nso ama text no. Nti ɛno ara sɛ yɛbɛ create no outline na yɛuse eyedropper tool no na yɛbɛfa gradient no na yɛde ama no na afei yɛuse gradient tool no adrag afa so na afei yɛanya yɛ logo no. Tumi yɛn deselect wei no. Nti ɛno nso aha na mesa de training wei nso asi. Akyire no yɛbɛsa de training foforɔ aba. Medam ase Nyame nhyira mo sɛ moanya abene na mohwɛ training yi. Bye bye.